Yo. Okay, now we're good. What's up, Ryan? How are you, my brother? All right. Got this nice trade in Forex overnight. A nice Forex trade. Fuck with the shades. I know. I was gonna flex on you guys fully. Then I thought, let me just keep the flexing to a minimum. What you feeling on NQ? Well, we'll go over bias. I usually wait for some more people to join. Yeah, Raj. I know. Trust me, I know. That's been happening to me quite a bit, bro. I don't know who was in the stream yesterday, but literally right when we closed that position, that was literally the high of the session, bro. And it literally just dumped. But let's close it. Did we hit the monthly fair value gap? We did hit the monthly fair value gap, so I'm gonna wait for a daily inversion or something. And we can go long on gold. Yesterday, yep. Trust me, I've seen it. Although we caught this nice trade on Euro overnight. You had faith in the shorts. I mean, they played out, bro. We were right about where it was gonna go. You know, it's unfortunate we didn't get to participate, but it is what it is. We're here another day. Yesterday was already gonna be more difficult. Yo, let me ask you guys, everyone who's here, real quick, just answer this question for me. Do you guys like the background lighting right now, or do you like? I'm gonna show you guys the alternative. So, take a moment to acknowledge the background lighting. Take a moment to acknowledge. Okay. Now I'm gonna change it, and you let me know. Is this better or worse? You got the same trade. Nice. That's always good. Someone better answer, bro. This one's better. It's the same. Someone said. Same. Pretty much the same, huh? Good morning, Ronan. I don't trade patterns, but pretty much the same. All right, so I think we're gonna leave it like this then, because this is easier on my eyes. Oh, you guys like the other one better? All right, let's take the other one off there. We'll leave it like this. Okay. Mark out your new day opening gap. I already did that. We closed and open. Yeah, we did. Okay. All right. So, what are we working with here? Cluster of the opening gaps here. Did we touch the daily bullish or value gap? We did. We closed pretty bullish. Looking like price is going to go up maybe. Previous day high. Let me open Discord right now. I got you, Gaurav. I got you. Everyone's coming through. Shorts today? I think I'm bullish, bro. Just because the fact we touched the daily BISI. We have SMT there. SMT at previous day low. I mean, we do have a wick on both sides, though. But I think we can go higher. I'll probably be leaning towards longs. The daily is not on discount. I mean, to ask for a discount is kind of a stretch, you know? You kind of just have to work with it. Like, yeah, you're right. If you were to enter a daily position, you wouldn't want to enter off the daily bullish fair value gap, you know? But, I mean, if you go to the 50-minute, you can still enter on a daily discount. Make sense? You're a real ICT trader? What do you mean by real? I don't know. I trade ICT every day. Does that work? Is that good enough? You use power of three, of course. I mean, there's no power of three yet. Like realistically, guys, there's probably gonna be a new low and high of the week. So with CPI and PPI, I wouldn't be surprised if this range expands. Like right now, Monday, you just gotta decide Monday, are we likely to go to a previous day high first or previous day low? Right? That's kind of what you're working with right now. Because in all, Wednesday or Thursday is probably gonna frame the reversal. So what's up? What's up? Ow. Yep, your question. Let's do that right now. Okay, we're doing a quick trade review. Someone said 1 minute chart gold. 1 minute chart gold. Um, let's do it here. So 9 a.m. You took a long. Hold on, let me just open up gold here. It'll be way easier for me to see something. So 9 a.m. What time was your entry? Your entry was right before 9 a.m. So you shorted the hourly bearish FUG. Okay, fair assumption. Keep in mind you're also going, but you're going long from a monthly FUG. Good stuff on the EU trade. Appreciate you. Snag sell during London made 409 on 4 counts, 3 minutes. W, bro. This is your hourly FUG. Now I can understand this short. I can understand this. I mean, it's not a bad short. Like expecting another leg. It's not a bad short. But just keep in mind, look at the monthly. We've been looking at this level, right? We just took out the major sell side. So like weekly fair value gap, soup on the weekly. We entered the monthly fair value gap, Guarav. So right now we're currently rejecting off of it. So me personally, I wouldn't even look for a short at all. I would just wait for longs to form because and also we had an hourly change in the state, so that's another thing. The 4 hour bearish, like, it honestly it could reject, but it's a really risky short. I mean, it could go. There could be another leg lower, but I mean you're shorting the monthly fair value gap pretty much. Like you're aiming for like a deeper move. So like to me, I would just wait for the long, you know? We've been waiting. I've been waiting for this long for quite a while. I feel like you're gonna get a good long formed here. Unless it just runs right through, which is possible, but I wouldn't expect that. So maybe the daily inverses, maybe you can go to the 4 hour, maybe you get this 4 hour breaker block, you know, and then you can do something like this on the breaker. Like the price action is still forming, so but like maybe something like this, I can enter a swing position. Oh, those equal highs look good actually. Oh, those equal highs. Is that all-time high up there? Damn, this looks like a full buy model actually. Smart. Yo, this looks really good, bro. Well, you know, we'll keep this up here for now and just see. Wouldn't you only need AD and execution? What's AD execution? Do you use any tools like Bookmap? Nope, never used that shit in my life. Fuck that. Yeah, I trade ICT, so let's keep the funded accounts open here. Accumulation, distribution, and expansion. Bro, distribution and expansion is the same thing. Can you check EU? I still think EU is probably gonna come here. That's and I closed my short early. Um, I closed it at here because we took out the most recent sell side and closed up. So I closed it like somewhere around here. I was already up 6%. So I just said, okay, I literally need what is it, 1%? 1% more or something. So I was like, I'll just take another trade. What macro you prefer? Definitely 950 and 1050. So I think we can get here. I mean, it doesn't have to, but I think we can. I would probably wait for that, and then maybe from there reversal, you know? Maybe from there reversal. 4 hour leg. You got your 0.5. Yeah. What application? You trade futures? Yeah, we'll be day trading futures today and every day. We always day trade futures. Every now and then I'll scan Forex for swing positions or maybe longer term positions. Not necessarily swing, but we'll be on the Forex accounts today. Let's sign into the accounts. So I'll be trading three Top Step funded accounts, and I'll be trading one My Funded Futures eval. This eval we actually need to kind of full port it. So, are you long on NQ? I'm looking for a long. Okay, let's look at the NQ charts. Where's my indicators? There they are. We have Asia high of day, pre-market dump, but that's so random. Sorry, I shouldn't say random, but that's so unpleasant. I feel like this is a failed breakout. I'm bearish. That's one way to look at it. I trade ICT. Why did all the crystals just drop this morning? I don't know. They were really oversold. I mean, they're overbought. Realistically, it could dump at any moment. You don't know when it's gonna. In my opinion, I don't try to pick. Like, I wouldn't buy now. Eventually, it's gonna sell off. When Bitcoin sells off, people are gonna be liquidating. You know, isn't days before CPI more of a seek and joy? Yep, usually, very typical. Or sometimes what you see is like Tuesday will manipulate, and then just CPI just pumps. Like that's it. All positions liquidated, we pump. So it's possible. For now, I think we can take out these relative equal highs. I mean, they look really clean. It's also the new week opening gap high. So I like those equal highs. And then I also like maybe previous day high. It's possible. So that's what we're looking at for today. You do have low resistance, lower failure swings. Yeah, I'll probably have to wait for like a silver bullet or something, to be honest. Did you close for the 6%? Yes. You trade Forex yesterday? Yep. I took the short in Asia session. Or whenever 21 is, that's like mid Asia. And then my TP was here, not gonna lie, I was gonna hold it till here, but I woke up, I saw 6%, and I said I might as well just close it. Also, my boy Sam told me that DXY was about to sweep buy side or something, so I was like, fuck it, just in case there's an SMT, let's just close. So I just closed the 6%, which prop on futures, Top Step, and my funded futures. I'd recommend Top Step first though. Do you trade on lower time frames? Yeah, I'm gonna enter a 1 to 5. Wait, for Forex or for futures? For Forex, higher time frame. Forex, I do like 15-minute minimum. Are you Arab? Yeah. My name's Amir. But for futures, yeah. Usually you'll see me enter on the 1 minute. Last one's high, 27.88. I think we retest that this week. Previous one's high. Oh, are you on NAS 100? Just see 27.88. Oh, 27. Oh, previous month high. I'm tripping. Yeah, possible. It's definitely possible. Koala. You're over trading. You could tell. I don't know. I feel like the beard gives it away, maybe. How long you been trading? It's been about a year. Day base SMT. Yep. Previous day low SMT. That's why I'm bullish. I'm bullish as well today, but is your trade on Euro USD? Yep, we took it on Euro, the Forex position. This was the trade we took. I closed it like around here. I was aiming for this. I closed it around here. I still think it'll go there, but I closed it around here like 3R or something. Whoa, what happened? Okay. In your journal, when did you start making profits? Around 3 months in. That's when I started to win trades and I got payouts. I'm looking for longs today. Yeah, I mean, it's a soft bias, but I would prefer taking longs to these equal highs. Best psychology advice? If I could only give one advice, I would just say journal everything, bro. Journal everything. 3 months is crazy. 3 months is crazy, but if you were to like study every single day, backtest thousands, like I probably backtested 1,000 trades in those 3 months. Actually, that's not true. Probably like 500. Um, Gold futures. Does it also have the monthly fair value gap? Probably, right? Yeah, I think you can get a reversal coming from the monthly, possibly. I'd wait for confirmation though. Journal everything. Journal your emotions. The goal in trading, guys, listen, I'm gonna tell you guys something. This is what I think. I feel like not a lot of people talk about this. The goal, all of you who are trading now, unless you're like super profitable and you're like at your peak, unless you're at that level, which I'm not. So, but if you are, then you can ignore this, I guess. In my opinion, you guys should all have one goal, including myself. And your one goal should be to just figure out your strengths and weaknesses, right? Assuming you already have a model and you're trading it, figure out your strengths and weaknesses, and that's what's going to hold you back. Wait, there's no org? Oh man, this is going to suck ass, bro. You got to figure out. I have a mentor, he helps with a lot. That's good. Mentors do help, yes. I'm in 2 months and I've been winning. So backtesting is when you go back in time. Oh yeah, this is going to go. This is just going to take the highs, bro. Today's shorts? Possibly. Yes, chart is lagging. But I like that we took that actually. Take the highs, take the lows, and then we go long. Double purge 930 model. We can take that. I gotta tell myself I think it's fucking drawdown. Yeah, bro, relax, bro. If I was up that much in a day, bro, I would just leave, no crap. There's no news. Why so much volume? It's 930. Usually 930 is always a volume injection. You'll always see some large candles. I would usually just wait it out, Me personally. I just wait it out, but yes. Go do some push-ups, Koala. Take some deep breaths. You're doing something wrong? What do you think? What think's wrong, bro? Let me help you, bro. Any tips to pass funded? In order to pass a funded, you just need to understand the best and efficient way to manage your risk. You'll pass the funded if you can manage your risk properly. It might take some time if you're not that good at, if you're not that profitable, but if you manage your risk, and every now and then you catch a really good trade, like you'll be fine, bro. If your goal is passing, you could always full port it and gamble. I wouldn't recommend that unless you're really experienced. You just got a 2R on GU. Did GU start pumping or? Kinda. My dump. Equal lows GU. Hourly fair value gap. 5-minute breaker fair value gap. Looks like it might dump on GU. Who knows? I'll leave that up there. What are some great tips you can offer at managing risk? You need to figure out your strengths and weaknesses, You entered on premium. You entered longs here? Hold on. Any tips to pass funded? What's your time frame? I usually enter on 1 to 5, but I look at them all. Did we take out sell side? No, we didn't. I'd have to wait for us to take out some sell side. I mean, we did tap the inversion. No, we just fell short of the sell side too much. 3,000 in 2 days. What happened, Michael? Is that like normal for you, or is that um SMT? Yeah, we definitely have SMT. Yeah, I'm gonna personally wait out this opening range stuff. Doesn't look too eventful. I'm not that clean. I like that we took out buy side and then sell side. This is like double purge, In one of my AMD models, which I don't think I taught this in my YouTube, but it can form like this, The FEG. The best tip I can give you about the FEG is it's really about figuring out which one is gonna give you a move higher. You got to look at the higher time frame, right? The thing that's gonna make the FEG work, and I hope you guys know this already, but the thing that's gonna make an FEG work is the context or the narrative of your trade, right? If price is gonna go up and it has a reason to go up, the FEG is gonna work. You know, it'll work. Like, you know, that's how it works. So you just gotta kind of figure out what's happening on the higher time frame. Where is price likely to go? For example, right now I think price is gonna come up here at a minimum. It could go even higher. Koala, you're gambling. What mobile app you recommend? TradingView. I would just use TradingView on everything, to be honest. Mhm. I mean, you could have traded the SMT. This is not my trade though. I'll just wait. I'll wait this out. Guys, put some life for my bro. I wish you, bro, the best, brother. What's up, Cookie Cookie? Thoughts on gold? I'll probably look for a long from the monthly fair value gap, Zoe. It's live? This is live, yeah. Everything tanked? What tanked? Are stocks down? Can I buy something? Nah. Nah, I wouldn't say this is a tank. Just a small retracement. I mean, it could dump. Trading deals? What's that? And I might have to use a high record time frame. I mean, if you want me to help you, you have to show me some trades, and I can tell you where you go wrong. It's like general, like every trade's different. I recommend TradingView, brother. TradingView plus Top Step, my funded futures. If you trade for futures, any suggestions how to start? Yeah, watch ICT 2022 mentorship on YouTube. That's what's gonna make you start. Someone said they passed 250K combines. Took me 3 days. Good shit, bro. Proud of you, bro. You're leaning bullish. I'm bullish as well, but if we come all the way here and take out the buy side, which we're definitely gonna do at this point, um, we might just have to play the range. You're gonna add at 2150. Yeah, it's not a bad short. The SMT's there. Exactly. It's called demo trading. Can you do? Yeah, you can do that. So if you go to any broker, let's say you go to TradeOvate or I don't know, Moo or whatever, any broker, um, you can just sign up for a demo account, or you can just use TradingView. So look, I'll sign into my demo account if I want to. This is my demo account. Look, you can do whatever you want. I can go long right now. See, we're in money. Boom. Fake money. You can do this too. Um, very, very simple. And if you can do it for free as well. Someone said ICT 20. Yeah, ICT. So go on YouTube. ICT 2022 mentorship. This is gonna blow your mind. Watch it, take notes, ask me questions because it's probably gonna be very confusing. So definitely take notes and ask questions. And then you're on your path, brother. That's what I'd recommend at least. Some people might say other things. You close the long? Nice. Always ask Gaddy. Yes. I join the list. Join the list. Notice how price just gravitated towards all the new day opening gaps and probably the new week opening gap high. What's that website called? It's called TradingView. If you just match IC10, do you have any other strategies to confirm the trade anymore? 2022 is definitely enough. The only thing about 2022 mentorship is you're gonna miss some moves, because that's one entry model. Like 2022 is you're looking at a liquidity sweep, market structure shift, fair value gap, target opposing liquidity, low hanging fruit. That's it. There's just one way to get in. I have 7 ways to get into the market, you know? So I've expanded since then, but Is backtesting your secret? Oh yeah, 100%, bro. I have I had thousands of backtested trades. Backtesting is definitely the secret, but hey man, I still have a long way to go, you know? That's not really the secret. That's just kind of like the base. Like that's like getting the buns, you know? You still got to figure out like what toppings are best for you. You got to try them all to find out which ones you don't like. An inversion fair value gap here might be shortable. It might be shortable with the SMT and the raid. What's the model though? 930 Judas? Oh, you just backtest NQ or did you just do any chart? I did NQ and ES. I backtested in the same time. So I backtested with SMT. ICT people have always been. I personally do futures and forex. How long you been trading for, and have you always done futures? I started with futures, and then yeah, I've always just done futures to be honest. I don't know why I made it seem like there was more. Breaker FEG Unicorn's an amazing setup, bro. Everyone should know the Unicorn setup. That shit is like probably the best setup you can get. TradingView is preaching with fake money, and you can also do real trading. And you can also do real trading and trading. Yep, you can do both in TradingView. That's why I use it for everything. From passing AS NQ. Oh no, I just meant like I do it split screen. So I'll just take all the trades on NQ, but I have ES on my right side to help me get my bias or look at my entry models, follow my rules. Because in my opinion, if you're trading Nasdaq and you're not looking at S&P, then you're doing something wrong. One funded at 1.2, one is at 200. I mean, quality. You can walk away right now, and today's a W day, you know. But yo, honestly, let me tell you guys all something first. Let me tell you guys something. Everyone who's listening, and probably most of you are gonna not even like take a second thought about this, but I'm telling you guys, the thing that's gonna make you profitable is not the strategy. It's not. I know you've heard this before too. It's not a lie, bro. Like I'm telling you guys, I have backtested thousands of trades. I have looked at every single model. Like name it, I've tried it before, assuming it's ICT related. I promise you, it's gonna come down to what are your strengths, what are your weaknesses, and capitalize on it. That's it. That's what matters. What's up, Blaze? If you struggle mentally, if you struggle with over trading, if you struggle with losing confidence, for me, I lose confidence when I lose trades, and then on the next trade, like I don't like I don't take the trade, or like I'm hesitant to take the trade because I lost like a couple in a row. Like that's where I struggle. You know, that's one of my weaknesses. So I gotta do something about that. I can't just let that, you know, I gotta figure something out. But I gotta put a checklist in front of me and be like, you know what? It's check, 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 just enter. Don't even think about just click it. You know? Like it's all about what your weaknesses are and then your strengths. But my strengths, like I manage my risk really well. Really well I manage my risk. I reduce my losses and shorts are valid here. This might be valid, yeah. But I did say if we get the inversion, I'd probably short the bearish fair value gap if we get a bearish fair value gap. The reason I'm gonna wait for a bearish fair value gap is because ES can still get another leg higher. Is there an hourly fair value gap there? Yeah, we still respected the hourly. I'm gonna wait to see if we get a bearish fair value gap. 932 to swing model. Yeah, it doesn't look like we're gonna get one. If you're free, can we discuss? Yeah, Blaze, we can talk whenever, bro. YouTube channel? Yep, I have a YouTube. I post my model there. My trading system, I should say. It's not a model. So that's definitely the secret sauce for you guys. You got to figure out your strengths and weaknesses. Like you need to know. You need to know what it is. Everyone's different. Like I don't struggle with over trading. I mean, sometimes I go until I can't lie, but it's been a while, and I rarely do. I used to, but not anymore. I don't struggle with that, so I don't need to worry about that. You know, what I do need to worry about is, you know, staying confident. We just tap the inversion, so you could have taken that. I don't think it's gonna go down though. I think it's gonna go right back up. Probably come here. We'll see. ES is bullish. There is a bearish for value gap there. I would short this if ES was giving a setup. It's just ES does not look clean. We did leave relative equal lows though. I really like that. The displacement's good. It lines up with New Day opening gap. ES doesn't look like it's gonna go down. Would it be smart to invest in a stock? Honestly, bro, if you had only 1K, I would just put it into a savings account and let that shit grow on its own. What are your entry models? I have 7. I couldn't possibly cover them all right now. I would, oh, if you have prop firm, yeah, just do the prop firms, bro. I would just use it for a prop firm if you have that as an option and you know how to trade and stuff. Yo, Noah Penn low-key caught the top there, eh? If you shorted that, Noah, good shit. If it keeps going lower, I'm gonna be waiting personally. Can you name them? Like obviously fair value gap limit, inversion market, unicorn, my favorite one, which is breaker mitigation. I have a PDCT entry model, which is where I go to the 15-second time frame, and then my OTE entry model, which is like for a second stage distribution leg. In this case, I'm gonna look for a 15-second entry. So see how we tapped into this 1 minute fair value gap? I'm iffy about it. So instead of entering off of the right away, I'm gonna look at the 15 seconds, see if we get confirmation. So I'll look for price delivery continuum theory, pretty much. So I'm looking at this fair value gap, specifically this one, because this one formed at 945. I mean, it's being tapped at 945. We took out the buy side. The only thing that's telling me not to take this is the S&P. If ES inverts this, we'll probably just click sell on NASDAQ. And that's it. You know, the only reason I haven't clicked sell is because ES. And we still left out this buy side here. Like we left relative equal highs, so I'm cautious. But if we get the inversion here, I'll go short. I'll probably even go short like this. It'll be something like this. Probably we'll do this. ES has to give me the inversion though. That's 23 points, bro. This range is ass. We can at least aim for the relative equal lows. I gotta wait for the inversion on ES. It didn't inverse. I can't take it. It didn't inverse. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. It stopped right there. We did get the OB, barely. It's probably gonna dump, but it's not my trade. It's not my trade. Oh, it looks like it's gonna dump. When should we trade by me? That's at 9:30. I trade after 9:30 personally. I don't want to wake up that early. You could definitely trade 8:30. Usually there's a nice range, some type of liquidity sweep, and then it goes the other way. If there's news that day, I would just wait till after. If there's 8:30 news, don't trade till like after 9:30. But you can trade 8:30 on any regular day. I mean, you can trade anytime, really. See, now ES gave the inversion. The risk to reward is no longer good. We could take the 2 minute. ES still hasn't inverted. I can't take this. Simply cannot take it. If anything, I would take a bullish breaker and take this as a second leg. Shorts are long. I was looking for a potential short there, but I'd rather see this short fail and then go long. That would be a lot better. But we'll see. I'm just gonna wait. See how it's a little bit unclear. The fact that my brain just went, okay, let's see if I can short here, and I said, okay, let's see. That's how you know you should just wait. You know. We left relative equal highs and lows, so I don't like that. Today seems like a no trade. I mean, still early. If ES inverted this, I would have went short for sure. Just off my 9:30 Judas swing model. So basically 9:30 opens. We get a leg higher. You think we need 500? Smart today? Not sure what you mean by smart today. Yeah, exactly. You looking for further. Exactly what you said is correct. Yeah. This is just awful price action. The range is small. We're just gonna have to wait. Yep, I used Forex replay to backtest. I feel like I missed a lot of questions. I took the short out the first 1 minute FEG. Valid, valid. You 100% could have taken that. I would have taken it if ES was also lower. Shorting from there, there's a BPR. This is now a balanced price range, yes. ES tapped the bearish fair value gap. I might sell this. Yeah, I'm still waiting. That's soup. SMT. I'd wait for 15-second. If we get a 15-second bearish fair value gap, I'll go short. Basically, this order block. If we get this order block, 15-second fair value gap. With ES tapped there. Yep, we'll probably short this. Why's it gotta stop every single time? Still waiting. No fair value gap. Exactly. X trades. Exactly. That's mine. That's my entire. That's literally everything I do every day is based off that book. Yeah, no trade, guys. Are you yelling? Am I yelling? Am I actually yelling? Oh, that guy. I feel like I miss a lot of text. So if I miss your texts, my apologies. Just send it again. I'll read it. Are kills is important, or can we trade anytime? You just need to understand the characteristic of the time you're trading, right? Just made $100. Nice, bro. Proud of you. That's good. If I can't trade futures, how can I trade NQ? You should be able to trade futures, but if you can't, then you can trade NAS 100. Stop loss hit. Stop loss no good. This is order block. It could still dump. I'd close the trade if we inverted the fair value gap. If I was in the trade, just me. But I wouldn't have even taken the trade, so I'm just trying to follow my rules, you know? Buy now, can't do that. What model tells me to buy here? You know? I think it's gonna go up. I think it's gonna go here. But can't trade it. Gotta wait. Silver bullet or something. Don't you think we're going for Asia? 100%, bro. 100%. I think we can go higher than Asia. I think we can maybe get to previous day high. You know? Definitely I'm bullish. Said it from the get-go. It's also possible we just take the high and then go back into the range. So it could be two options here, you know? We either take out previous day high, or we just take out Asia high and then just go back into the range. Stay choppy. Either or. I'll look for either. But yeah, Asia high is for sure. I got screwed up many times when I buy a premium. That's my weakness. Yes. Look, is there an indie which is the same as NQ? Index? Wait, indie or index? You should wait 1003. Yep, we're gonna wait. You might still add. It's not a bad idea. There's your SMT. I still don't think I'd short though. Buys, I'm leaning towards longs, but I need to wait here because the only thing I know right now is I think price is gonna come here. This green line, look, I marked it out here. I didn't change anything. It's the same line. I think price is gonna go there. This isn't a good enough entry for me, you know? Can't enter this. It's not good risk to reward. It's too deep in a premium. Like, what is this? 1.3. I'm not gonna take that. Fuck, I look like taking a 1.3, bro. I don't do that shit. Yes, you should look at the S&P 500. It's like brother. They're like brothers. There's a 15 FEG up there. Yes, there's a huge FEG up there. I don't mind shorting from here, but I'd have to see like a strong rejection during the macro or 10 a.m. Without my funded, I can't trade indices. What can you trade? I take 1-to-1. I take everything I see. Smash everything. What's up, guts? I think this fair value gap will deliver higher prices, but who knows? There's an SMT. It could be very choppy. If we inverse, would I take this? No, there's no model really. There's no trading model here. I need to make sure I'm following my rules, guys. That's all I want to do this week. Just, I want to end the week. I don't care about the money. I want to end the week and just say, you know what? I followed my rules every day. That's it. That's all I want. And if I take this short, even though if I think it's going to go down, or if I take this long, it's not good. Sharp turn. That is a sharp turn off the SMT there. But I'm still 50-50, honestly. It could go higher. Like, okay, I understand all this stuff we're talking about is on the 1 minute time frame, but let me clear things up for you guys. You tell me where you think it's gonna go now. Or you tell me where you think it's gonna go now. It looks like it's gonna take those highs, you know? What about now? Now it really looks like it's gonna take those highs. You know? So don't get too caught up on the 1 minute time frame. RTH 1 minute. Asia highs for sure, exactly. In my opinion, should I buy more Shiba? I don't know. I don't really buy crypto. I'm a day trader. If we take the highs, maybe. But I definitely think we go up here. It just looks still looks bullish, yeah. Still looks bullish. It could dump, but I'm not gonna put a trade on either side right now. I'm gonna wait. That is possible, Raj. Do you teach? I kind of just help people for free, you know? I feel like I need to work on my psychology game a little more and before I start other mentorship. Marcelo, in general, yes, but it depends on the context. Like not every time, but if I'm bullish, oh wait, I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying. No, I usually don't trade like that. You closed 200 on a short. Damn, bro. Did you cast a high right there on the SMT? What's Tapta again? That's like the guy who the time PD raise. That's the time PD raise or something, right? Every PD raise activated by time, so I don't understand the idea of Tapta. Like it's yeah, usually Marcelo, I wait for something. I don't like putting a limit order on an old fair value gap. That's Tapta. Yeah, I mean every PD raise activated by time. That's not a secret. ICT's taught it like that since day one. I don't know about the word Tapta. I mean, obviously it's a marketing scheme. Um, High win rate, same win rate. I've tested all the PD rays and all of them were the same to me. So I focus on the fair value gaps. My favorite one. I use both though. I use both. You're gonna add shorts here. Good luck, Noah. Zusi. Zusi seems like a really good trader. I can help you, Koala. Yes, I can help you, brother. Okay, we took the buy side. Maybe we get a bearish breaker here. Because we've been so slow, it's kind of telling me that we're probably not going to come previous day high and we're going to stay choppy. We're going to stay in a range, you know? So daily profile, New York manipulation. And I don't mind taking a short. Why is it so hard every time something new? Yeah, bro. This is a journey. It's a marathon. Yep, you can do that, Anurik. Usually this is called an institutional order flow entry drill. Right here. It's like when you're super close to an obvious drawn liquidity. Dang, we going. I'll probably take this fair value gap, guys, honestly. Assuming we get the order block and the breaker block. Let's just mark out the breaker to be. Oh, breaker mitigation? No, not. If we get the breaker block, I'll take it. Nothing. One more sweep possible. Have you ever cleared funded account? I've gotten 3 payouts before, yes. What does this line mean in your ebook? FEG limit order entry model 1. That's when I put a limit order on a fair value gap. So let's just say, I can show you. I'm probably going to end up taking one today. That's the one I use most. It's like when price forms a fair value gap, and then I put a limit order right here. You know? So it'll look like this. Let me just make sure it's not going to fail me, right? If I go along here, yeah. It'll look like this. So I have a limit order at the fair value gap waiting. That's my first entry model. This is NASDAQ futures, so it's futures, not a stock. It's like the group of stocks. The entire market. Best brokers for futures? I like Tradeovate, AM Futures. All are good. Yep, that's one of my rules, X. That's one of my rules. That helps me avoid some losses. We got the OB. So let's make that clear. We got the OB. So that is a change in state of delivery. And we got the immediate rebalance. Why not trading gold? I like to trade futures. I was gonna buy a fundamental account IFU strategy gold in US30. Wish me good luck. Good luck, bro. I believe you can do it. Because London is such to manipulate. Sometimes depends on the daily profile. Sometimes London will manipulate, and sometimes New York will manipulate. You can have a whole model just based on that alone. What's the symbol? NQ. MNQ1. Here, let me turn on. Oh yeah, this should be on, so you guys should know. The symbol will be down here. It's gonna show up any second now. It's loading. MNQ1 consolidation here. I'd like to see a move higher above 10 a.m. and then we short. If we get a bearish fair value gap here, oh, today? No, not today. Today is New York manipulation. It was what it looks like. Doesn't let you trade. You'd have to like send me a screenshot or something if you want me to help you. I'd have to see why. Isn't gold future? You can trade gold futures, yeah. I just prefer index futures. Index futures is the most traded. It's the most precise, the most volatile, most movement. What is New York manipulating? New York manipulated Asia highs. If you're bearish, right? If you're bullish, then yeah, London manipulated. This is London move lower. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Initially, I was bullish, targeting this. Initially, I think it's going to come here. But I'm kind of leaving that idea right now because I think it's going to stay choppy. I don't think it's going to go up and up and up today. I think it's going to go up and then down and then up and then down. And we're not going to get much excitement. So the fact that we just went all the way up, took Asia highs, I see this as New York manipulation. 10-3 is powerful. You should use it. Sure. What does this line mean? If the weaker asset does not give a short setup. So, yep, I got you, Flores. When is it possible to hit end dog of last Wednesday? End dog of last Wednesday? I don't know. I didn't label my end dogs. But talking about this one, is it possible? It's gonna be a while, brother. Oh, this one here? It's possible. Yeah, it's possible. I'll show my background. Yeah, give me a sec. I might short this fair value gap. Yeah. It's gonna dump without us, I think, because we got the order block tapped already. But if we get a fair value gap here, yeah, this looks really good. We'll short this. It's gonna go without us. Yeah, it's gonna go without us. They give you one entry there on the breaker block, and that's it. Short off the inversion breaker. Yeah, we could have taken that. I could have taken that. Yeah, this is going. This is going. It's not giving us a fill. You could have taken the inversion there. I was too slow. I was too slow. I wouldn't even take it now. 2100, nice, bro. So my candle colors, I'll just paste it in chat. I use like a light blue and then dark black, dark gray. You trade US 30? No, not really. Usually just Nasdaq and then some forex pairs, and then everything else is black. Okay. I don't know if it's gonna retrace all the way here. It's pretty sharp displacement. It's probably gonna take the sell side first. It gave you an entry, you know? This is a balanced price range now. This isn't a fair value gap. This is a BPR. It's not gonna come there. Thoughts on Ethereum? Bullish until proven otherwise. There is equal low, so I'm targeting that. Yeah, it's gonna run down. 1003? Damn, you did say 1003, bro. Holy shit. It's crazy. Wait for retracement? It's probably not gonna retrace. So you just gotta figure out where you think this is gonna go. Maybe London lows, maybe these equal lows. Maybe the sell side here. I'm leaning towards sell side being taken for sure. Low resistance. Has Trump being elected help you? No, I don't really care about that. Previous day low is still a stretch. Like, I'm not really strong bearish, you know? I still think it's gonna be choppy. So like, see, I don't like to trade like this where I put a like limit order here now. Nah, I don't like that. We could take this like this. We just have to target low. I'll take this. $30 times 2. I'll take this if it gives us an entry, but it's probably not gonna. I'd have to break even after we take the low. Actually, no, I wouldn't. I'd probably hold. We also could just go for a better entry. Like, we could just try to snipe like 50%. Nah, I'd rather just guarantee the fill. Or we could market sell as it comes up. That's not a bad idea. Let's do that. Let's do that. Let's try to market sell as it comes up into this fair value gap here. Because now this is your breaker. I think we should just put the limit actually. I lied. Yep, go back to the limit. The breaker FEG is good there. It's probably not gonna even give us an option to come in, but I'll do it. Some people are looking for longs, it seems like. I enter here and put the stop there. What's 30 times 2? 30 times 2 is 60. We can do 3 micros on this one. All right, let's try 3 micros. Looks like we'll get a fill. Looks like we'll get a fill. Take this on the funded as well. We did take the sell side there. It could just go back into the range. But I like this silver bullet setup. How long did it take you? I still changed it a little bit, but I would say about 6 months. Can you look at Discord real quick? Yeah, I got you, bro. Uh, do, 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 do. Oh, you missed the fill? I think you'll be fine. I don't think they have any rules like that. I don't think they have any rules. We should get a fill here. We're trying to snipe this entry. It's not the best entry. Technically, our stop should be here. All right. Let's see. See how this goes. Let's see how this goes. If we invalidate the breaker, I'll probably just close right there, to be honest. The breaker on the 3-minute. No, it's a big breaker block. Yeah, we can put our stop loss here. So obviously already we could have gotten a better entry in OTE. That's a strong displacement, bro. It's a really strong displacement. This might be a literally 2-minute loss. Goodbye. Yeah, it looks like already, but it could reject here. It could. That's your OTE entry. Our stop loss needs to cover the breaker block. There's a volume imbalance there. Damn, this is like just the quickest stop loss ever, bro. This is from your session. This is from your ebook. Only explain this. What does this line mean? If the weak asset does not give a setup. What that means is, let's say there's an SMT like this, right? So you see this SMT, for example. If ES is weaker, so in this case, Nasdaq's stronger, ES is weaker. If ES is weaker, then ES needs to give you a setup, you know? That's the idea. Yeah, this looks like an instant stop out. We just got destroyed. Literally destroyed. But we'll see. You never know. Still a couple ticks. If anything, I mean, yeah, honestly, we should have taken it after we took out the sell side. We should have waited for the respect of the order block. I think my biggest mistake here was just we took out the sell side. I mean, we still have relative equal lows, so I thought we'd get another leg. But no, we just undid the whole move. Look at that wick on the hourly, bro. Especially because of the old FEG, does liquidity void? Maybe. I think it's just we took the sell side. We did already take out sell side. Yep, trading. I took on the funded as well. Took it on the funded as well. Would I try and close this early? No. I'll just let it hit stop. We'll take one more trade. We'll look for one more. Clear this up. We'd have to inverse this fair value gap. I'll trail my stop to this high. It's kind of giving me a chance to get out here with not that much loss. I should maybe take it, but the trade hasn't been invalidated. I mean, the breaker. We'll see what happens. It's giving me a chance to get out with not that bad loss, but it took your stop loss. Yeah, you got to put your stop loss. I have it in my rules, right? I put my stop loss here to cover the breaker. You know? What a weird market right now. What a weird market. I wouldn't cut it. No, I'm not gonna. I'm not in favor of cutting trades. It's giving me a chance to break even here, though. That was a lot of drawdown, bro. But I still think we're wrong. Even if we're not wrong, it's not a good condition to be trading in. I'll put my stop loss here probably. Actually, no. Let's leave it at the breaker. It gave me a chance to break even. This move kind of invalidates my trade. I don't know what to expect. 5-minute fair value gap is holding, I guess. Yeah, this is bad price action now. I don't know what to expect. Pretty bullish candle though. Get out? Nah, I'm gonna let it hit stop. I'm not a fan of getting out of trades. See if this bearish fair value gap holds. Check out GU. Did GU pump? Oh, see? Looks like it's gonna work. What website is this? Just trading view. 4-hour power of 3? Yeah. Valid. 10 a.m. You got a large manipulation down though. Volume imbalances? You don't like volume imbalances? What do you have against volume imbalances, bro? We have SMT like this, but F, are we looking for shorts we could potentially give it for long? Exactly. It's like price just skips, man. Candle opens up crazy. Yeah. It won't go up till it crushes Monday FEG on 59.30, which has rejected repeatedly. Maybe. Yeah, maybe. It's one way to look at it. I personally don't even know what to expect now. It's like 50-50. I still feel like our stop loss is gonna get hit, but I'm gonna leave the trade. What do you think about Tesla the stock? Do you think we're putting money? Yeah, but not now. It's too expensive now. For me, bro, I like to buy when it goes down. I don't like to buy when stuff goes up. You entering this PA? I mean, I entered over here. Where did I enter actually? Oh, I entered here. I took the breaker FEG, expecting another leg lower. 10 a.m. silver bullet. But seems like it's gonna fail. It gave us a chance to get out there. I'll say this straight. If we can come below here and form the order block, then it'll probably run. But if we can't do that, it's probably wrong. Trust the trade. Yeah, I'm not gonna change the stop loss off. Forex looking cleaner these days. This definitely looks tough, but we'll see. We'll see. This is why you manage your risk, you know. What do you trade on, brother? My fund and futures. Guess how many trade that day today? What'd you take, bro? Like 15, bro. You got it. I wouldn't qualify that as OP just yet. Gotta watch these equal lows on ES. Why don't you enter the FAQ? Which, yeah, can you tell me which? It's like everyone's in this trade. What's up, Robbie? You took the short too, Rob? I got a bad entry though, bro. I guess this was a bad entry, you know? I was gonna try to snipe this. I thought there was no way it'd get there though. Wait, you guys are in this? Funny. ES is so close to equal lows now though. It's like not even good. You're in with you? Let's get it, Rob. Where's your stop? Did you put your stop here, Rob? It's like the kind of ones I don't know. Like, do you put your stop here? Like low key, yeah, right? You got to. Like low key, it's not going back there. So B. We gotta inverse this 3-minute right here. I'm about to. That's what I'm saying. I think I'm about to as well. Because it's the fair value gap and the OB. Yeah. Could it soup it though? Bro is spamming it on cap. X trades, bro. I'm gonna tickle your butt. What are you saying right now? N dog is mitigated today. Bro, do you even know what that means, bro? Everyone just says mitigated. They don't know what it means. What is mitigated? You got it off the breaker? Bro, I want to hold this. I want to hold this, guys. But if I'm being honest, mitigated, what does it mean? I don't know. You tell me, bro. You need a big boner candle to the downside. Damn, your entry was bad. Yeah, we did not get we did not get a good entry, you know. I have noticed one thing though, like in markets that are kind of choppy, where's your take profit? I don't even know. I put it here. I don't even know what this is. London lows. Right now it's at London low. But if ES takes out this low, I'm gonna lower my stop. Right now it's London low. ES is more bearish. We're gonna get an SMT. Wait a minute. No, we're chilling. How to take off some? Just click buy. Mitigation is an OB. That's not even true, bro. Mitigation is this is a mitigation block, bro. I don't know what you guys be saying mitigate. High, low, lower high, lower low. This is a mitigation block. This is a mitigation block. I don't know why people say new day opening gap has been mitigated. What does that mean, bro? Mitigated. What does that mean? Did you just make that shit up, bro? Mitigate. New day opening gap has been mitigated. Yeah, what does that mean? POIs get mitigated. What does that mean, bro? You mean like tapped in? How does ICT use the word mitigate? He doesn't, bro. I've never heard him use it. What does mitigate even mean? What does mitigation mean? Just pass your funded? Nice, bro. To make something less harmful. Like, what does that mean, bro? You use funded accounts? Yep, we're on the funded right now. Mitigated is tapped in and rejected? Oh, so you're saying rejected, like, pretty much. We mitigated new day opening gap? I don't know. I've never heard ICT. I guess he just says rejected then. Have you actually made bread off funded? I've gotten 3 payouts, so does that count as bread? I don't know. It's not that much, but I'm still improving. It's going down. I mean, yeah, I guess. How much did you pay for 50K my fund of futures? $80 US. So for me, that was like $110. Some use mitigated to say the price tapped in. I see. How much did you pay out? In total, 3K. This is getting really choppy. Shorts? I'm in shorts. I feel like SL's coming here. Just because of how slow it is. I'm gonna put the stop here. Leave it there. What color is your background? It's D0, D0, D0. You're gonna hit stop. Yeah, I think so too. But we'll see. Hasn't been invalidated yet. I'd be pretty surprised if ES doesn't take the south side there. ES looks pretty bearish. ES tapping into the 3-minute OB. You gotta give it some room. This is my D0, D0, D0. What does this line mean? Okay, brother X, you need to go watch my YouTube videos, bro. You can't just open up my booklet. You can't just open up my booklet. Yeah, I got real-time data, yeah. This guy opened up you can't just ask me every single line, bro. You're gonna fail if you use my book right now. You're gonna fail. You need to go watch the videos now, bro. Not now, but like you have to go watch those videos. I'm Arab, but I'm not Turkish. And yeah, we use real-time data, of course. Monday was better than this? Yeah, Monday was better than this, bro. Deep retracements. What is your entry? I entered off the 2 minute fair value gap. This big, fat. I mean, in hindsight, we probably shouldn't have taken it at the bottom. My rules say take it at the bottom. As long as it's 2R. North African? Me? I'm Arab. No, I'm Arab. I'm from Iraq. No, I'm Iraqi. I'm Iraqi. Stop at the intermediate term high? Yeah, it's not a bad stop. It's not a bad stop. I'm gonna leave it up there, I think, because on ES it's the 3 minute order block high. Actually, it's not even an order block. People always wonder why I trade Mondays. Bro, so many people asked me yesterday, why are you trading? Rules say take it at the bottom is wild. Pause. Wait, why is that bad? They don't want you to have a bigger pool than Kanye. Higher time frame short into Asia high was the move. Wait, what do you mean higher time frame short into Asia high? What does that mean? Yesterday I had multiple great setups. Yeah, this 5 minute is gonna tell the story. US 30. I'd have to check after my trade. Yeah, it hasn't been invalidated yet, but I mean, the fact it's taking this long, it just looks 50-50 now. You know? It just looks 50-50. How old are you? I'm 21, brother. 21, yeah, turning 22. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, like look how bad this looks. Looks so bad. Yeah, I mean, I like this stop loss. 30 minute. ES is way more bearish, bro. But the fact we didn't take the sell side there is kind of crazy to me. Like, we're gonna fall short of the sell side, right? Like, we came all the way down and fell short. Now we have a 50-minute fair value gap above us that we're probably gonna tap into, which is gonna stop us out. And then maybe 1050 macro delivers the move. That looks like it's what's gonna happen, is we're gonna get something like this. But yeah, this is probably a stop out. It's definitely looking like a stop out. We sweep the intermediate term high. Why don't you think price will go higher? I do. Not 500 crazy. This is the eval, so when did you get your beard? Like a year ago, maybe two. No, like no, it was a while ago. Like, I've always had a goatee. I didn't have the full beard. The goatee came in when I was in like white shorts. Well, I thought it was gonna go down here. Now I don't think it's gonna go down. We tapped into a 5 minute bullish fair value gap. I don't see no 5 minute bullish fair value gap. This maybe. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. We took the exact same trade. Nice. See if it plays out. Doesn't look good though. To be honest with you. You trade gold. Like nah, not really. CPI tomorrow. CPI is tomorrow. Trade traps for experienced traders. I set up liquidity and don't take it. Smart money traps. I don't know. I don't believe in that. I don't believe in that personally. What about the daily SMT? There is daily SMT, but I'm expecting range. So the fact that we took range high, I'm expecting it to go back. I expect this. Up, down, up. That's what I expect. But honestly, I might close this position at the sell side level. I don't like where this is going. It hasn't been about until it hits my stop loss. It's so rangy. We should like if it takes out the sell side, we might just close it there. And you need to know when it's a shitty trade. This is a shitty trade. I'll probably trail my stop here. We've left it for so long though. I'm like not comfortable putting it there for some reason. Entry reason, we took out Asia highs. Unicorn setup right here. That's your breaker block. That's your fair value gap. That's where I entered. Stop loss at the breaker block high. There's this breaker as well. High, low, high, high, low. So that's where I put my stop originally. If it rejects from this level perfectly, that would look really good. Because that is a perfect BPR. Are you live every day? Yep, we're here every day, bro. Plus lots of sell side. Yeah, we have like low resistance. So, well, we thought it was low resistance. This is fucking high resistance as fuck right now. No cap. Can I copy your trade? Yeah, just don't tell me. All right, we're putting the stop loss here, guys. It's a smart thing to do. Put some music. Can't put music. I'm live on YouTube. Can't put music. I don't know, man. Every time I enter, the market just goes into consolidation, bro. I swear to God, bro. It's been happening so often. Okay, price action wasn't that bad here, you know? Like, look at that displacement, bro. We got a nice ass breaker block FEG. But when Gatie enters, it just goes into consolidation. Target our break even. As soon as see, this is a stop loss. We just took out like that's TP1, bro. Like, what is that? Why is ES so bearish? This is probably stop loss now, yeah. It is what it is. You trade CSID? Yeah. Like, this is gonna go up now because ES took the sell side. ES took the sell side. I watched time and sales. Cool. When using a breaker block, what's the range price will react at? What do you mean the breaker block itself? At least we reduced our risk. It was 500, now it's only 300. Like ES, bro, ES came all the way down here. That's the SMT. There he is. We're out, guys. Minus 135 on the funded. Minus 360 on the eval. I watched time and sale. Yeah, I don't really use that, but we got a crazy SMT there. 1030. I don't know if I want to re-enter this. I feel like I probably shouldn't re-enter. This is such a bad. But we'll wait till 1050. Any good trades? We took one trade, loss. As soon as I entered, bro, look at this. As soon as I entered, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So it wasn't a bad trade, though. It wasn't the best entry, but I followed the rules. That's what matters. We were just really choppy. And ES did go lower, you know? Like, ES, bro, ES moved. Like, in ES, we would have hit, like, good risk to reward. Like, at least it hit one risk to reward. Like, at least ES, we'd be break even right now. But it's what it is. We got to put that in the journal. I'm gonna forget. So let me put that part in the journal that ES was better. Was ES more bearish to begin with? Gonna sell now. You were the liquidity. Man, if it hits me with one of those, that would suck. I'll probably look for another trade at 1050. Took two shorts and lost. I feel you, bro. I took a short and lost as well just now. And we might have to watch it dump without us. Yeah, ES was clean. We tried to take the short here, but like look how nasty Nasdaq is, bro. Just nasty. ES perfect. Nasdaq nasty in this case. Why do you think the loss was? Just bad conditions. It was never meant to go lower. You know, it was gonna stay like this range. Did my G bad SMQ prostitution? I don't know what the fuck you did there, bro. I don't. You be saying something weird. I don't know. What does that mean, bro? What do you mean, bro? I don't understand. I don't understand. 1010, 1031. I'll show you guys the journal after. That's clear buys, bro. I don't think it's going anywhere. I think it's gonna just keep chopping. I mean, you can't even say really clear buys. ES it dumped to like TP1. You know, ES played out perfectly. Like ES did this, which is what I expected to happen. And then we break even and see if we can run lower. That was the idea of the trade. Just didn't play out on NASDAQ. Same trade, 2 losses for the day. It was a good trade. I would take it. I'm gonna wait till 10:50. We might get a nice move into lunch, just like yesterday. And I'll show my chart settings. Give me 1 sec. I gotta update the journal before I forget. Notes 1. ES played out. Like, think about this. Our stop loss was here. Our stop loss was here on ES. Not even close. You will not trade the day before CPI again? No. I'm okay with trading before CPI. Just gotta take a better trade. Better trade. Two. Yeah, that's all done. That's all I'm just gonna say. ES played out, but the market was very choppy. But we didn't break any rules. That's what matters. We took a fair value gap limit. Trading model was 10 a.m. silver bullet. And yeah, that's all. Daily power of 3. Daily power of 3 valid. We risked originally, I believe it was 180 on the trade. And we only lost 135. So that's good. I'm talking about the funded here. And then account balance, we'll leave that aftermath entry chart. Let's put this quickly in our journal. I will put in the note, CPI tomorrow could actually chop till 7:30. 7:30 is like pre-market though, no? Habibi, it's okay. I'm also waiting for macro. Alright, GTS. What's GTS? What's GTS? Alright, we'll wait till 10:50. It might get more clear going into lunch. We're gonna risk 100 on the next trade. Oh, go to sleep. I need a nap as well. If you keep it patient, so it's coming soon. Yeah, we're good, bro. Risk management will carry. Gatie trading system. Yes, that's my model. How many trades? We took 1. I'm gonna look for 1 more. I don't take more than 2. Oh, GTS. You're right, bro. GTS is Gatie trade system, bro. I'd probably take these shorts. And I'll probably take it on ES if I'm being honest. From the 15-minute fair value gap. Yeah, like I'll take this short. Let's switch charts here. From the 15-minute fair value gap, we'll look for a short. Is it safe to connect my bank to my trading account? Sure. As long as you don't gamble and go crazy, bro. Here we go, sell off. I think from the 15-minute fair value gap, maybe. Yeah, let's wait for the 15-minute. I'm getting confused about this fair value gap. Why is it like that's the 15-minute fair value gap? Wait for rejection from the 15. Did you do that or do you wire? I wire. We didn't tap in enough. Get in there. Oh, wait for the 15. Chart settings. Yeah, my bad, brother. So the canvas, D 0, D0, D0. I'll give you like 5 seconds, bro. What fund do you use? I use Top Step. Okay, D0, D0, D0. We took one loss. We took one loss today so far. We're gonna look for one more off this 15-minute fair value gap short. Oh shit. I'd probably still expect another leg higher. We'll stay patient. See if we can get like this. And then for the candlestick colors, so everything's black down there. And you have these two colors. B7, C7, D7. Type shit. Some people say talking about much money makes them more unlucky. You just think about the money, you know? And then for this one, it's 2A2 AE39. Yeah, I gotta put this in my Discord. I did have a YouTube video, but I changed it up. You're still in the trade? Oh shit. Cookie's in that. We'll look for one more short. When will you go to the crazy green/white or black one? What do you mean green or white and black one? I don't know. Probably when I get bored of this. Boom, 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 boom. I don't want to see this setup fail, come up here, and then go lower. That's what I'd want to see. Probably not for a while, Qual. I don't want to see this fail. I want to see it come up. Looks like it's going to dump, though. But if it comes up here, we'll look for a short. We got a 30-minute immediate rebalance. Interesting, interesting. But we entered shorts, and we got a fucking massive ass candle in our up drawdown direction. Super choppy. I'm starving, bro. I wouldn't mind not taking another trade today. Like, we don't gotta take one more. 135 loss, that's not bad. We're still alive. We caught a really good trade on Forex, though. I'm gonna post a trade recap. We caught this short. This was my final TP here. This is like kind of long-term swing trade-ish, short-term trade. Any advice? You gotta watch ICT, bro, on YouTube. A little bit of AMD action here. That'd be nice. Yeah, very choppy, very choppy. I mean, look at this. I like Koala. Me too, but that shit just does not happen, bro. It'll happen against you, though. You enter short, you get like this, bro. That's TP1 already. Like, it's yeah. 30-minute immediate rebalance. If we just tapped into the 15, did ES tap into the 15? No. If it just tapped into the 15-minute fair value gap, we could have went short there, but it didn't tap in. We did get SMT though. Yeah, we could have shorted that, to be honest. This right here. You're looking on today? Where my 30% at? We can call after call, but yeah, I'm hanging out with my girl today. What model of ICT should I watch? You trade futures? You should watch 2022. P1, TP2. And 46. Bro, Yusuf, are you a market maker, bro? What's going on, bro? This guy just be dropping numbers, and it just be happening. This guy knows something. That's your confluence? I feel like I've given her the mindset where like as soon as it goes up, she's looking for a reversal too. I asked her yesterday. I was like, "You want to trade on my eval account?" And she said, "Yeah," but then there was like technical issue or something didn't work. But it was going up, and she's like, "I think it's gonna reverse." I think it's been going up for a while. I was like, "Oh no, that's what I think too." Every time price goes up, bro, I'm automatically looking for shorts. Yeah, I mean, you could have taken this. It's just too early. If this formed out the macro, if it moved a little bit higher, it's not clean delivery. Not clean delivery. Yeah, I mean, yo, the shorts are gonna play out. That's what's sad too, you know? Like, right about the idea yet again, wrong about the trade. But we always seem to be right about the idea. Is it morning macro? No, this is one more macro for the New York session. 10:50 to 11:10. You win your trade? Nope, we lost, bro. It hit TP on ES, but not on NASDAQ. So we got stopped out first. Just a bad condition, you know? It's you would have had to like trade perfectly to catch a win on this. Like, you know? It's so easy to make a mistake in this. You know? Don't think we're gonna come up for that 15. I guess we could have said like 30-minute immediate rebalance, the SMT. We could have taken this short. Even if we're right though, who wants to be in this? Would rather speed? Yeah, I would rather speed. I'm just trying to follow my rules. Fail the breakdown. Yeah, I'll make food koala and then I'll call you. I'll literally just call you right after, bro. Right after stream, probably. I do have to record a video after. I do need to trade recap. Hey, it's gonna be full TP. I could have just held this. I was gonna hold it, but then I didn't. But it looks like full TP on the Euro trade. I gotta do a trade recap for that. I said if we get 10 reactions in the Discord, I'll do a trade recap. How many reactions did we get? Where did I post it? Journal. Yeah, bro. We got a lot more than 10. Fucking man's went crazy. So they definitely want a trade recap. We could take this OB in the macro. No, I don't have a model for that. It's bullshit ass model. EU making me depressed? You got overconfident trading minis? It's the worst day. You know what's crazy? Like, you always make the psychology mistakes on days like this, where you get punished hard, bro. You know? Like, I feel you, bro. I feel you. We can look for a market maker model stage 2 entry here. If we take out a high and break down, we can qualify this as a market maker stage entry 2 from this leg. So you trade full time. Where did you enter again? I entered the short. I don't know if you guys can see my second screen, but I entered on NASDAQ. This was the trade pretty much. We managed to reduce our risk a little bit, but we entered on the 2-minute, so 10:04 fair value gap on NASDAQ. 10:04 fair value. It was the unicorn setup there. Oh, actually, speaking of, I said I took a fair value gap, but I actually took a unicorn. Whenever you get overconfident, I feel you, bro. Trading's so tough, man. It's so tough. You really need to know what's gonna like set you off. I like this 5-minute that's forming with the order block and the breaker block here. And it'll be inside the macro. Don't give me an immediate rebalance. No, I don't trade full time. Like I do it every day, but it's not like my full time income, if that's what you mean. But I do it every single day, same time. Haven't missed a day in a really long time. That's good. You took the short on. Yeah, ES was the nicer short, I guess. I need to maybe add a rule where like if I'm expecting the market to be choppy, then just forget NQ. Like just take the actual the favorited asset on the SMT or whatever. 5 minute second stage. I can see this being a second stage delivery here, right? Smart money reversal, stage one, distribute, stage two, reaccumulation, job. What's your full-time job? I don't have a full-time job. I work part-time and I have a bunch of savings from a full-time job previous. What do you expect for gold? I think we go up from the monthly fair value gap. Well, I don't think so, but I'm gonna wait to see if it makes me think so. Does that make sense? So I'm gonna wait for something on the daily time frame or something. Maybe bullish for invert this bullish fair value gap, or maybe 4 hour breaker block. So I'm looking for a potential long-term long. All right, let's go back here. So 5 minute fair value gap. Let's see. Let's just say this 1 minute fair value gap here. Same thing. So Euro USD. We already caught this really nice trade on Euro USD. What do I think is gonna happen now? I'd look for a potential reversal, but yep, looking for one more trade potentially now in the macro. I think we can get another leg lower. I think we can get another leg lower. We have the SMT. It's gonna look like this. We'll take ES this time. We could even just do this. Oops. This isn't a bad trade. Just like this. Mm. This NASDAQ, this is ES. NASDAQ's on the right side this time. I'm looking to trade ES. NASDAQ's just awful. Let's see if we got a setup here. The 5 minutes right there. Are we really not gonna tap in? It's right there. 1050 macro. Might close the hourly bullish. On NASDAQ, maybe not ES though. Look at ES, bro. ES, I think is definitely taking that sell side. I don't know. No, not definitely. But I favor shorts here. Complete the market maker sell model. Stage two right here. Too early on the short. Me as well, bro. Me early. I mean, I took it on NASDAQ. Breaker fog. It's been hard as fuck. Me too, Kevin. Me too, bro. It's been tough. I'm surviving because my risk management. But like, damn. Like every time I enter, the market gives me some like shitty consolidation. Did you get stopped out? Yesterday I was the one saying stop loss is good. What's up, brother? Did I get stopped out today? Yeah, we got stopped out. I managed to reduce my risk a little, which is good, but yeah, still a stop out. Man, what is this? Like, we're just gonna perfectly tap into the 5 again, one tick, just like we did with the 15. I can't take that for value up. No, I gotta wait for the buy side. I gotta wait for the buy side to get taken. You can't find the ICT 2022. It's ICT 2022 mentorship on YouTube, brother. It's gonna be a playlist with like 40-ish videos. So search up ICT 2022 mentorship. And you got it. Oh, I think this is gonna dump. Did you exit? Yeah, we're looking for another trade right now. Maybe we get 11 a.m. power of 3, and we could take the short into the last 10 minutes, and we run here. It's possible. Like, if we just one tick higher, the ES, the other ES, I should always watch this, I guess. Yeah, same thing. It's gonna dump without us. Every day we're right. Like, we're right almost every single day. Yet we take the trade and we get like chopped up, or we get like, I gotta work on my executing. Our bias is always on point, but we always enter at the wrong time, or mm, I don't know, the wrong asset maybe. 21265. I wouldn't short Nasdaq, bro. I would just short ES. 21265. I don't know if we're getting up there, bro. That's a reach. I think that's a reach. Too early a lot of the time. Sometimes I'm too early. Sometimes I'm too late. Sometimes I get chopped up. Sometimes it's the wrong asset. Sometimes I do everything right, but I have a bad stop loss. Like, it's so easy to make a mistake sometimes, you know? You really got to lock in. Could have still held through. I mean, for me, the Nasdaq trade was definitely invalidated. Like, yeah, you could have had a perfect stop loss at the swing high here and you're still be in the trade, but like, that's not even a trade I want to take, bro. If we have a bearish fair value gap here, I would take it as a second stage, but it doesn't look like we're gonna get it. What platform do you trade on? Top Step. I'm so hungry as well. I really need to make breakfast. We'll wait till 11:10. If it nothing forms from 11:10, then we'll call it. Trying to get some of your losses back. Yeah, I mean, we've been in drawdown literally since day one on these accounts, but we're still alive. It's a good sign. The wins will start coming soon. Nasdaq's dumping now. Yeah, of course it is, bro. Gatie, I'm gonna DM you. Just look at it when you're free. I got you. Cookie, but you sent that target TP thing. Exactly, Marcelo. Exactly. Let's think about short sales things. The only high is right there in the short. You're right. The only thing that's truly invalidates the trade is the high up there. Good luck, twin. Appreciate you, brother. Oh, Tataback had some problems this morning too. I mean, yeah, it's gonna hit full TP now. There's no way we can get in on this trade. Gold. I'm looking for longs on gold from the monthly fair value gap. You know. You know what we could see? Can we get a continuation short here, maybe? On Euro? Going into the close? I think we're done for NASDAQ and today, guys, because... Oh. 11 a.m. power of 3. Like, we'll wait for it. You re-entered? No, no. 20 trade today, Koala? How much did you do yesterday, bro? Is that better or worse? That's amazing, though. Wow. Great trade, bro. Great trade, brother. I'm thinking about taking a short on Euro, actually. Maybe from this 15-minute and just target the final sell side. Just quickly pass phase 1. Or phase 2. I'll leave it open and see if we come here. I'll put an alert. Okay. We'll see if we get a... What's swing trading? It's when you hold the trade for multiple days. $30? That's improvement, Ross. Improvement. You went from 30 to 20. Maybe tomorrow you stay under double digits. What do you think? Yeah, man, it's gonna go without us. It's an unfortunate one. It's an unfortunate one. But what can you do? Yeah. We called it out. If you hit on Nas, yeah. Tomorrow I'll do max 3. Took a sell on 10 a.m. and Q. I took it as well. I got stopped out though. And there's your TP. The original stop loss held. So hypothetically, we could have kept the original, but bro, like if you're not close, if you're not getting stopped out here, fuck, that's a crazy one. But I guess in hindsight, yeah, probably no trade here. Yeah, just come back tomorrow and maybe CPI. Thankfully, we have a CPI day. Like, look at this price action on Nasdaq, bro. This is really this is really bad price action. Did you get on the move? Nah, we missed it, man. I tried to get it on the 5-minute fair value gap. It didn't tap in. We had the 1 minute here. We missed it. We just missed it. I waited for the macro, you know, but no, we missed it. It took us out. It's probably gonna hit that target, and then probably go back up during lunch. You just went long? Wait, what? Did we take out sell side on ES? Long? I don't know about that one, bro. I don't know. Me personally, I don't know about that one. Maybe, but possible. It's definitely possible. Me personally, nah. Are we taking trades on FOMC? Yeah, bro. PM session. When is it? Wait, didn't we just have FOMC? Yeah, we talking about FOMC was last week, bro. FOMC is amazing. Price action. Okay, I want to say amazing, but oh, those? No, don't worry about those, bro. That's not gonna make any difference. Those are just members speaking. Tomorrow's big thing's gonna be CPI for sure. I'll be trading at 10 a.m. I'll use my CPI model. We took one trade today. We took a loss. It hit TP after. Bro, you know what's sad? Bro, every time I get stopped, it literally just rallies right after. Dump like this is my stop. Like what? How my liquidity every time, bro? It's actually funny. It's actually funny. I wonder if Robbie got stopped. What's the best time to join the chat in the morning to start reviewing the market? Usually I go live at 9:15. If you come around 9:15 a.m., I'll start. Like that's when I can help anyone with like some live stuff. If you want me to go over a trade or something. Yeah, for FOMC, T recommends, bro. It's FOMC press conference that you want to keep an eye out for. I'm gonna type it in the chat for you. Actually, I can't. It won't work. Oh, it worked. That's the one you want to keep an eye out for. FOMC press conference. When you see that, that's the one where it's like, it always TPs after, bro. Same thing yesterday, TP'd after. It's kind of frustrating, but it is what it is, I guess. Yesterday, like, tell me if this looks familiar, guys. Hold on. Let me. You guys are gonna laugh, bro. This has happened so many times now. Like, it's like I'm the best at this. I'm the best at this. This is today's trade. Hold on. Where are we at? That's our stop loss hit. Stop loss hit. Now, obviously, the price action is difficult, but nonetheless, that's your stop loss hit. And then that would have been, I'd be break even now. I probably wouldn't have closed here. Maybe after seeing this, I'd say, you know what, fuck it, let's just close here. But I probably wouldn't have closed there. Maybe I'd probably hold it, but I'd at least be break even. Stop loss hit here. Let me show you guys yesterday. It's gonna look very, very, very similar. Look at the trade we took yesterday. Where is this? Where is this trade we took yesterday? Damn, that's tough price action, bro. This was yesterday, right? We took the short. Well, let me just open the executions. We'll see it. Well, why isn't it showing the executions? Oh, does it disappear? I got stopped out like this or something, bro. It was like this or something. Like we got stopped out here, and it just kept dumping slowly. Took out all the low resistance liquidity. Yeah, tough one. I stopped breaking even other I hold stuff for the period change a dollar by 100%, so I don't see the money. 1-of-1 futures is trash. Yeah, fuck 1-of-1, bro. We need to yeah, that's ass, bro. Yeah, sorry, I'll check US 30 now that we're out of the trade. Just do forex.com US 30 weekly, monthly. Is this Dow? Yeah, it's a tough one, brother. It's a tough one. I mean, I would look for it to come here. Yeah, that's all, bro. But it's so hard to short all-time highs. You'd have to look intraday. Intraday, oh yeah, you had a really clean setup here. Just a clean manipulation at 8:30, 9:30 peak the high of the day, and then distribute. Very clean. So you could have shorted this really nicely. Like, bro, why couldn't Nasdaq look like this, bro? This is just clean inversion breaker. Yeah, very clean. Very clean. You're in longs? Maybe. Rough price action. Yeah, it's been rough. There was a volume bounce on NQ. Why went out there before the down? On NQ, volume imbalance on the 1 minute. Yeah, I mean, valid, sure. There's a bunch of volume imbalances here, though. I mean, there's one here. There's probably one higher. It's just a deep retracement. But yeah, I mean, originally my stop loss was here because of the breaker. So in hindsight, yeah, I guess. But I don't know. I mean, if you're in a good trade, like this was a bad trade, anyways. Like it's been trash. It's been tough. It's been tough. Especially been tough. October was tough, and then we hit all-time highs, and now it's tough again because we're in all-time highs territory. But yo, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday should be good. CPI and stuff. You're holding the short on ES. I think it'll dump. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Don't you think it'll take out the low? Maybe not NQ. What CPI? It's core price index. It's basically just an announcement of the consumer's like stuff. Yeah, all-time high PA. But hopefully tomorrow will be better. CPI protocol, PPI protocol. I'll be using both of mine tomorrow. I should probably put that in my book. What I do for CPI, PPI, FOMC, and NFB. It's a pretty interesting thing. I should probably put that in the book. Yeah, I'll definitely work on that. Let me get this 50-minute fair value gap. Anyways, I'm gonna go make breakfast. So I'll show you guys the journal. I'll show you guys the aftermath. Just last thing I need to put here. I mean, if you caught a winning trade today, good shit. Because this was definitely tough price action. Aftermath. I'll show you guys the journal before I hop off. This is the journal for today. So we took a TM sort of bullet daily power of 3 being New York manipulation. ES played out, but the market was very choppy. And then NQ played out again after Hitting SL. It is what it is. It happens. It was a choppy day, you know. Luckily we only lost 135.72, so that's not bad. Let's put 136. I'm OCD, bro. It needs to be precise. That's 136. So that's not bad, you know. And the account is still in drawdown. Now it's minus 986. So it's been worse, but we're chilling. Short to range lows again. What do you use to journal? I use Notion. This is Notion. So we didn't break any rules. That's what matters. Yesterday's low should be taken. I'd assume so after taking Asia highs, New York manipulation. But yeah, there it is on ES. Gonna TP probably. Don't think we can get in on that move. Yeah, we tried to get in there, but that's your second stage delivery, I guess. This would have been 4R. Yeah, it's a really good trade. Thoughts on this trade, guys? It's not too late to get in. 0.27R. Yeah, this was good. If you took this is probably one of the better setups. All we needed was one more tick higher, the 15-minute fair value gap, but it just fell short one tick. It is what it is. I use Notion. I use Notion for the journal. The template is in my Discord. If you click on my Discord, take the template, you will see this template for you if you want to use it. This is everything in my journal. We've been journaling every trade. I'm not changing anything in my model for these trades yet. I'm going to wait until I either get a payout or blow the account. Once one of those two things happen, then I'll go back and make some adjustments to the trading model, trading system. So I'm just trying to get as much data as possible. Okay, it seems like we're running out of questions. I'm getting really warm in this sweater and I'm starving. So I'm going to go make some breakfast. Today's leg day. What's micro NASDAQ? That's MNQ is micro NASDAQ. Just short here? Nah, no way I can short here. That's just FOMO at that point. Tomorrow we're hitting upper body. We're hitting lower body today, so definitely gotta go make some breakfast. We'll be live same time tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. Eastern time. I'm gonna post a trade recap for this forex trade that we took. This nice swing trade on euro. It was a short-term trade on euro. It was a really good trade. So I'll post a recap. A lot of people wanted the recap. I'll make it and then post it. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate you. All right, I'll see you guys live tomorrow, same time. Tomorrow we gotta catch a dub. The probabilities say that the next 3 days are our straight wins. That's all I'm gonna say. The probabilities say, is it always like this choppy? No. This is just terrible price action. The next 3 days, probabilities say we're gonna win. So hopefully the probabilities play out tomorrow in our favor. With that being said, I'll see you guys live tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. Eastern time. Be there. All right, be there because we're gonna win tomorrow. Probabilities say so. So be there. The high that breaks as close as the lows, your stop is safe to short. I believe it's gonna go lower, bro. I believe. You don't gotta convince me, bro. All right, peace out, guys. See you guys live tomorrow, same time, every single day. We'll be back. Peace.